Software outsourcing, pitfalls and value. Times change. The advent of personal computing marked the dawn of the digital age. The demand for good business software increased exponentially, but good developers were scarce. Smart recruiters contracted out college students under highly lucrative secondment agreements. Anyone who could find the on-off switch on a computer was invited to choose a lease car and sign the contract in the showroom. In no time, the college halls were empty and the search had to be continued. Offshoring was the solution. Far away in their cubicles, huge numbers of developers each wrote a small portion of the code based on detailed specifications. Due to a lack of overview and actual understanding of the business logic, they carried out every instruction to the letter, with all the consequences this entailed. Closer to home, in Central and Eastern Europe, good developers were found as well. Companies hired developers with specific skill sets. This type of collaboration, based on the remote staffing model, often resulted in failures because the client, at a distance, remained responsible for all communication and control. The idea behind outsourcing is great. Motivation, capacity, and expertise. Now, what happens if we render the development expertise actually accessible? Under the obligation of result, a development team is headed by a project manager. This highly qualified technological specialist takes control of the governance and understands the customer's business logic. With his team, he takes project responsibility, eliminates risks, and ensures that the communication with the customer runs smoothly. A good team is not too large and works in a really agile manner, in clear, concise iterations. Projects can be adjusted at any time as required. The passion and enthusiasm of the developers are retained, and the end result stays in line with the changing needs of the end user. Bringing together the experience of hundreds of developers and actively managing the sharing of expertise generates a center of excellence that can handle almost any project. Due to the economy of scale, the customer has access to flexible development capacity, including guarantees on the budget, planning, and quality. We believe that this approach yields the best results. Netrom Premium Software.